You know what I really wanted to see, chat? Ray versus Flight.
Lock in. Come on.
Oh, hold up.
FTC.
Flight getting buckets?
Why you lie? It's July. We got a special so fresh and so clean, guess. Yeah.
Because I was busy at the time.
Hey, man. Playing up to 11. We literally got like 20 minutes left, so we got to get this thing going. Ones and twos, halftime 6. Ray, you want to shoot the ball? Oh, yeah, Ray, what we doing? This three-pointer? Jared, which time?
Jared, what's 3-point line? What's 3-point line?
I mean,
That's good.
I think fair use.
College is good.
Yeah, you do college. You're in the middle. Yeah, do college.
I don't know, it's my ball.
Uh-oh. A lot of people don't know that boy Ray used to be a baller.
Ray, let's get it. Angel socks, bro.
Nah, you guys are crazy. I'm gonna
Lowe's wild balling though? Insane. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, I want you. Got two sessions. Tee me up.
Oh. Hold on.
Right, quick to the motherfucking chase down bag. You driving nice, I like it, right? Oh, shit.
This nigga be doing instant replays and everything? This nigga's terrible. Hey, at least he show up and actually, you know what I'm saying, is down to do this. A lot of people, they just talk. They won't show up. Okay. Okay, Ray. Oh. Why is he instant replaying though? Oh.
Come on, Ray, I did my scouting report on you last night, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah.
That was one. 2-1.
Oh. Okay. Okay, what? This nigga, bro. Oh, the instant replays are hilarious. The fact that he only doing his, bro. This nigga. Did he pull his cheeks out?
What was that?
Did he just pull his cheeks out?
That was destruction.
Okay.
Throw it up in his face, Ray. Throw it up in his face, Ray. Shit! Ooh, he got a piece of that. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Iris green. Iris green.
Hey, Spree, Ray might drop you off, gang. Ray might drop you off.
6-2, right?
Halftime?
6-1.
Halftime?
10 seconds.
I think you gotta talk to Coach McCain.
Fresh?
You gotta talk to Coach McCain. You got us? We need
No problem. We got 2. We driving.
You know, he's hitting shots.
Yeah.
I didn't think he did that.
I didn't think he did that.
I mean, he is fast, but I think he's too. He has athleticism.
Goes me off the dribble. Just yes. All right, bet.
Keep driving.
Nah, these niggas' bags is different.
How do you feel?
Bro came to the gym in a Dolce & Gabbana tank top.
I feel like
What is life?
every shot, it's green. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm at the locking right now.
Let's go.
Fuck it, I'm gonna pull out the Curry shot. You say you don't have it, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. I really don't have that.
If he had that, that would have been crazy.
Not like that, right?
He gotta stop letting him drop. Bro, play this jokes, dude. Uh-oh. Oh.
He blocked me.
Foul, look, foul. Look, foul.
We're calling fouls. Show my Kobe do it, Ray. Show my Kobe do it, Ray. Uh-oh.
Give me that shit.
Intimidator badge. Intimidator badge. You got me. Shoot another. Shoot it.
Oh. Get saucy. Oh, damn. Nah, Ray let them jumpers fly. It's gonna be crazy. I thought he was a little nicer with the jumper, but he's rushing him. Oh,
I think it's a foul. It might be a foul.
I ain't calling this a foul.
because it's not supposed to happen. It's not natural, Kage. Shit should be illegal.
Oh! Shoot my bro. I just go Curry.
Damn. Ray, come on. He trying to win with the threes. Don't let him get up on you now. Uh-oh. He gonna drive it on back. No, he didn't. Whoa. Why is he doing it?
Told you.
This nigga's jokes. Zerga tweet. Should be uploaded tonight. Just don't want to jinx it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, Aaron, shut up, bro.
What do you feel? You gonna keep driving? What do you feel?
Oh, come on. Ooh. He definitely gonna call a foul on that, ain't he? Oh, okay. Damn, Ray.
Yeah, go ahead.
He called the foul. Okay, Ray. Follow up with that is crazy.
Where the elbows at, Ray?
Got you.
Make your back.
Got you, another one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo. 8, 4. That's 10, bro. That's 10. That's 10. My bad.
No way he's about to bust another three. He gotta drive it in. Oh, he about to throw this shit up in him. Oh, that's good. Oh, Ray!
Damn.
Yeah, Ray been carrying his ass off the whole time, but we don't count those. This ain't the NBA. Got a piece of that. Game time.
Show me something. Don't choke. You miss the shot, the game over. I'm gonna come back. I bet.
Nah, you talk like that, you gotta throw it up in his face. Step back on him. Ooh.
It's on! We did it! I'm still conversation.
Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be that much of a defeat.
Shot you at 15?
Yeah.
Ray, how about you on 15? 15? You want to go to 15? We like restart.
Oh, you want to restart? All right.
Bonus game to 7. No way. This nigga's throwing rainbows up at the sky. Oh my god.
What the hell?
Q0, bro.
You ain't gonna go for sweet, buddy.
I'm gonna see
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
How you gonna leave in the middle of the go?
I'm put up your game, bro. I bet. Let me know. I bet. I got tickets for you. Tickets for both y'all. Oh, I bet.
Also, does he play in like the NBA or something, chat?
Oh my god!
Ooh, Ray went nasty with it. Simon Sunday should be out in a little bit, gang. Zerka just tweeted, said that it's only a little bit further away.
See me up.
Oh my god, super travel. Jared McCain. I got the whole ball. Oh, that's in. Oh. What you gonna do, buddy? What you gonna do, buddy? You see me? I'm making that. Gotta make that. You know what I'm saying? You trying to rate my jump shot? I can send the vid in Discord? Oh, God. Send the vid, Spree. Send the vid. You about to send a vid of a random Macedonian man?
Pass back. Pass back. 4-0. I mean 3-4.
Uh-oh. Oh, I thought he was going to pull up on that.
Stop thinking about it.
Oh, he was. He was.
Thinking.
Just gonna keep driving.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Getting good taste until I finish.
I'm surprised this nigga can actually play a full game of basketball.
Call 45 fouls.
It's usually like, I know this nigga's a super smoker. Just put it in the let's chat. Oh, that was filthy. This nigga just did a fucking slow-mo. This nigga just did. No shot, dude. Oh. Oof, that was ugly. That was ugly. All right, let's see this random Macedonian man throwing up a J. Ugh. Ugh. Not gonna lie, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I know that's not you though, but we gonna respect it. I swear that goal isn't up to height requirements.
Strong as hell, bro. How much you bench? I done bench. You don't bench? Yeah, I'm just yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, come on, come on. I want to see somebody get crossed up in this video.
Yeah. 4-3.
Now you gotta drive on the last one, right? You got a drizzy on him. You got a drizzy on him, no diddy. Drizzy on him, no diddy. Nah, make it wet. Make it wet. Fuck it, make it wet.
I think you 500.
500?
500, one chance. I ain't crashing out.
He said I ain't crashing out.
Shit.
Hey, good game, Ray. Good game, bro. Hey, this is a hoop, bro.
That's fire. And then he ain't got nothing to say now because you know he done beat him twice. That's fire. That's fire. That's fire that you're able to do this. And it's dope that people can show up and do 1v1s and not be weird about it. That's dope. Shout out to Floyd.
Hey, Fly, what's happening? I saw you were gonna be answer, but
What?
you expect me, dog.
Bro, I ain't
Surprise
gonna
me.
appreciate it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If we play rebounds, I would have won that, bro. Next time, hey, when we rematch, we gotta play rebounds.
Got you, bro.
Let's do it.
All right, bro. My man, Ray. Good game, bro.
If you shoot your shot, you don't miss. Let me get a heat check.
You gotta respect it, bro. You got to. He be doing his thing.